Before continue, I want to mention something for UI because the coding font size is small. Allow me to just record sample macro. Go to developer and macro recorder. Macro 1 is fine. Test and stop. Alright, if I go to the Visual Basic, as you see the coding is small. Also, I changed my mouse pointer size smaller to be not distracted and not overlay on the text. To customize, you could go to Tools and choose Options. On the Editor Format tab, we could change the code of every single colors, and in General section, we could change the font and font size. I prefer to make it larger, maybe 16 it is better, okay. To be more clear, I could go to Tools and Options again, and on the Editor Format also we have for background and foreground color and indicator, which I think we don't need actually here. So I increase the size and decrease the mouse pointer to be more clear. After this, we're gonna work with this style.